YouTube, what's going on with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy, aka One-Legged Weezy, aka Weezy F Baby, please say the baby, aka Weezy Leonard right now because I got the braids in my head. Back with another video for y'all, man. Hey, it is release day Saturday. Today we got the PSG 4s and we got the blue cement 3s. Now, if you're new over here, y'all know what I need for y'all to do. Make sure you Hulk smash that subscribe button on your way over here. And if you like the content, man, hey, ring that notification bell, hit that like button so you don't miss out on anything that I put out, man. I appreciate all y'all for coming through and showing love. Hey, it's always real. Hey, man, I really love it, man. I really do love it, man. But now, like I said, man, today we got the PSG 4s and the blue cement 3s coming out. Now, I kind of like both of them, but I like the 3s more than I like the 4s, but I ain't gonna bore y'all, man. Let's go ahead and blast off. But before we blast off, I gotta open up the store this morning, so let me go ahead and put my Foot Locker shirt on, my headband on. Let me go ahead and... Alright, now we're official. So let's blast off and let's get these shoes so we can come back and do this review. Kyrie? Nope. Got these already. Dang, this what we do before we open? Muggs eating sandwiches on the floor before we open? That's a big sandwich, ain't it?
What you need? What you?
Y'all kill me off with those. Y'all keep telling me in Black Jesus. Hey, where my 3s at? Oh, that's me down there.
Why you gonna ask me that?
Cuz, what you saying? They the
They gave you the worst box in the world, though.
I swear they gave me a UA box. Ooh, so fresh and so clean.
It's waiting for you to swipe, little hoe.
Now, y'all calling people hoes and stuff on me. Something wrong with y'all. Watch your mouth, man.
Excuse my language. He was snitching.
Hey, these look good. These look better than the rounds. Hey, review coming soon in a couple minutes, matter of fact. These shits right here hard. Excuse me for cussing. Yes, sir. In the back. So this is what we really doing. Somebody got a fragment in the back, size 10. That's how, see, y'all janky.
Meanwhile.
All right, y'all, just got in from a long day of trapping. Shout out to the Athlete's Foot. The Athlete's Foot is a store, sneaker store based here in North Carolina. We got 2 locations in Charlotte, and they always show me love over there, man. My manager went and picked these things up for me. So, hey, shout out to my manager, Jen, for doing that for your boy while I had to handle some business. But let's go ahead and get into this thing. Now, these sneakers came out earlier this year. Like, I know a lot of people got them early overseas. And y'all know me, I don't care about getting stuff early. As long as I got the sneaker, like, it don't matter to me. I've never been the type, oh, I got these before anybody else got them. That ain't never been my cup of tea. Like, as long as I get it, I'm good. I can care less about what anybody else got going on, you feel me? But they kind of gave me a janky box, a UA box. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a UA box. Cause y'all boys over at Athlete's Foot, y'all boys really been kicking my box around, but I don't know what y'all got going on in the back of y'all store. But this is a personal size 12. All right, and the tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Varsity Royal, size 12. Retail was $190 on these. I'm mad I couldn't use my discount because nobody else got them but the Athlete's Foot and the Hibbits up here, which is crazy. But, woo. Now, y'all know I'm going to blue fire all over these, man. Just blue fire to the day I die. Shout out to all my frat brothers and my sorority sisters, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. Hey, man, I love each and every last one of y'all. I love you. But nah, man, hey, these right here dope. Like, bro, I wanted to get a pair early, but like I said just now, I don't care about getting them early. Once I saw that they was releasing in October, anything this month I gotta get, because my birthday in a couple weeks, October 23rd, baby Scorpio season. Stand up for your boy. But nah, man, these right here dope. Like I said, I could wait. I knew I was gonna end up getting them. And bruh, now, it's one thing I don't like about this sneaker, and I'm gonna get to that in a minute. But these already come factory laced with black laces, and they come with an extra set of laces. You got your royal blue laces, and you got your white laces. And I think I'm gonna keep mine laced up with black. I like the black look on these. And I'm gonna use the other 2 laces for stuff that I already got, you know, stuff that I don't like that's laced up. I'm just gonna relace it, man. But nah, we got our typical Air Jordan 3. A lot of people are calling these the poor man DJ Khaled's, but man, bump it. Said the same thing about the red ones. Where are my red ones, as a matter of fact? They said the same thing about the red ones, man. Now, like I told y'all, man, Jordan got he got Crips and Bloods going on over here, man. Now, my red 3s, these are the Chicago versions, the Chi-Town versions from All-Star Weekend. I like both of these, man. I got black cements. The only 3 I need is the free throw line. Like I said, I got black cement, got the UNCs, I got the Katrina 3s. Hey, man. But now, y'all already know, typical 3. Looking at the outsole, we got that crazy outsole on that thing. All right, and then heading up into the midsole, we got our air unit, our air bubble unit. And then also heading up into the midsole, we got our elephant print. Now, heading on to the back heel where the Jumpman Air is. I wish it was Nike Air, but I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera. It's not white, it's more cream, man. I don't know if I really like that. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but I do. I wish it was Nike Air, man, but I ain't gonna complain because I like the sneaker overall. All right, now heading up into the upper, we have our leather. I don't think it's full grain leather, but y'all know leather is really hard to mess up. You ain't gonna mess them up like that, man. All right, and we got our skinny tongue with the Jumpman on that thing. Shout out to the Jumpman, the true GOAT, Michael Jeffrey Jordan. And we got our gray liner in that thing with our blue Jumpman insole. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I feel like this is a dope pickup. This is a dope sneaker. I decided to pass on the PSG 4s because they hold me at the store. So it is what it is, but I definitely want the Union 4s that's redropping on the sneakers app on the 16th. I definitely need those. Need the Off-White 5s. Those come out the day after my birthday. And them Kamikazes come out the day of my birthday. Them Reebok Kamikazes. So I need that, man. But nah, y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these right here. I'll give y'all some quick B-roll. And then we're going to hop back and send this thing off, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all once again for coming through. Like I said a few seconds ago, y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. The blue cement 3s, I actually like these. I ended up selling my white and Hyper Royal 14s, the blue candy canes that came out last week or 2 weeks ago. I definitely like these better than those, so I feel like this is a good purchase, man. But y'all let me know in the comment section below. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy. Weezy, baby, please say the baby. Hey, man, thank you y'all once again for coming through and rocking out with your boy, man. I swear to God, like, the support I get from you guys, dog, I really love it, man. Like, I keep telling everybody, sometimes I feel like I'm just I'm really just a regular dude, man. Like, I ain't big-headed. This is me 24/7. Like, this ain't no act. None of that, man. This is me 24/7. I'm a high energy guy. Somebody that likes sports and just likes sneakers, man. That's what it is. It's genuine love, for real. But nah, man, I really do appreciate y'all for coming through. But once again, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. And with all this beef, we gotta put some chicken grease on that thing. Go.